Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Loksa Gurukulam online classes. How are you all? Nice? Okay, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So get a book and pen and let us just revise what we have studied in the previous class. So the first topic on this was about special products, not ordinary products, special products. What are they? One is x plus y whole square. What is x plus y whole square? That is x squared plus 2xy plus y square. Second one, x minus y whole square. Come on, anybody? Don't know. X squared minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, you must make a list of all these formulas. I told no. If you don't have the list, it is difficult for you to face the exam. And next one is x plus a into x plus b. Come on, expansion. X squared plus x into a plus b plus ab. And ax plus b into cx plus d. This also acx square plus adx plus bcx plus bd. Is it not? Or you can say x you can take outside. You get AD plus BC, AD plus BC. Okay, and x plus y whole cube. X cube plus 3xy into x plus y cube. X minus y whole cube. X cube minus 3xy into x minus y cube. Okay, all these you have already studied, you have worked out problems also. Coming to factorization. Factorization is a process of splitting into factors. So here you have factors of a squared minus b squared. Come on, what is it? A plus b into a minus b. A cube plus b cube. A plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. A cube minus b cube. A minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Of course, now I think most of you have learnt it. Just for recalling, I had told factorization by distributive method, distributive property. Suppose you have 4x plus 4. How do you factorize? Taking common factor, that is 4 into x plus 1. Then you have difference of two squares. Suppose you want to factorize x squared minus y square. What do you write? X plus y into x minus y. They are called factors. The method of doing it is called factorization. Then perfect square trinomials like x squared plus 4x plus 4. It is a perfect square. It is called trinomial because there are 3 terms. Here this 4 represents, so this will be nothing but x plus 2 into x plus 2. They are the factors of this. And 2 is the square root of 4, x is the square root of x squared, x is the square root of x squared, okay. That is perfect square trinomial. Similarly, perfect cube polynomials. You have x cube plus y cube. The factors will be x plus y into, all that you write like this. As a product of 2 or more factors is called as factors. So also minus x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y square. Then you have splitting the middle term, that is the last item we studied. In splitting the middle term, suppose you have x squared plus 5x plus 6. So 6 is the product, 5 is the sum. What are the factors of that? 3 2s are 6, right? So factors will be x plus 2 into x plus 3. They are the factors. So these are the things we have already studied. Now shall we look at the home assignment? How many have worked out? All? Okay. Mostly you have done it because they are very interesting and very simple also. So here is one question. Here a is equal to, expression is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to minus 3. So on product you must get how much? On product you must get minus 6. On addition you must get 5. How to get 5? And it must be plus. So 6 ones are 6. So write plus 6 and minus 1. They gives 5. So bring it here. So the given expression becomes 2x square, come on, plus 6x minus x, 1x means x, minus 3. Even you may write or may not write, is understood, is it not? So you have common factor 2x here, that is called HCF. So x plus 3 minus, which is common here? There is no common, but you cannot say no common. Then you must take 1 as common. So 1 as common, you have x plus 3. So you have x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. That is the answer for this. How many got it? Okay. Shall we go to second problem? Noted? Second problem, 2x squared minus x minus 1. Here what is the value of a? A is 2, b is minus 1, c is also minus 1. Product, 2 ones are 2. On multiplication you get minus 2, on addition you get minus 1. What are the factors of 2? 2 ones are 2, right? And middle term must be minus. Then naturally other term will be plus. So you have 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1. Take 2x common, you get x minus 1 plus 1 into x minus 1. 1 is understood, okay? Then you have, what is the common here? 1 is x minus 1 is common. What is remaining? 2x plus 1. That is the answer. So simple. You got it? Okay. Shall we move on to next problem? Third one. M minus 1 into 1 minus m plus m plus 109. What is peculiar problem? So you have peculiar solution. First you multiply these two. You must bring it to the form of ax square plus bx plus c. That form you must bring. So m into 1 is m. M into m is this is m, then minus m square. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus m. Then one more m here and 109 here. Okay. Now you see this is minus m square first. and this is 1m, 2m, 3m. So plus 3m. And 109 minus 1, 108. Is it not? This minus m squared will not have a root, right? So multiply throughout by minus. Why you are multiplying? To make it plus, then only we find the root. So you have m square minus 3m plus becomes minus 108. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 108. On product, you have minus 108. On addition, you have minus 3. Now how to find the factors? You can do orally also. Say 12 nines are. But suppose you don't get, what you must do? You must find factors like this. 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So now you must group it up. How you must group? Such that difference must be 3. How will you get it? 12 nines are. Okay. So 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 2 into 2. So 12 and 9. And middle term is minus. So bigger term should have minus. Natural other will be plus. If you add these two, you get minus 3. If product of this is minus 108. Correct? So you have m square minus, what shall I write? 12m, one more, plus 9n. What you have done now? We have splitted the middle term. Splitted the middle term, that's all. Minus 108. And now we take common factor m outside, m minus 12. Here what is common? 9, m minus 12. You have m minus 12 into m plus 9. That is the answer. So such big one as reduced, this is how you must write. They are called factors, and this process is called factorization. So what you have done here? First remove the bracket, then change the sign of this to get positive values for the square term. Then on multiplication 108, addition 3, so 12 nines are, you must take, then get the factor. Okay. Shall we go on to next problem? Noted? Okay. Next problem is 10y square plus 11y minus 6. Here what is A? A is 10. What is B? 11. What is C? Minus 6. So product is minus 60. Sum is 11. Come on, what are the factors of 60? You have 10 into 6. 10 into 6, or you can say 15 into 4. Again you can divide by 2. 2 15s are. 3 5s are. Now you make a group. 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4. Bring it here. 10y square. 11y means 15y minus 4y minus 6. Now what is common here? 5y common. 2y plus 3. What is common here? 2 common. 2y, if you take minus outside, minus by minus is plus. Correct? So you have 2y plus 3. Are you writing down? You must come more faster than me. Huh? Okay. 5y minus 2, that is the factors. These are called, each one is called the factors of this. Suppose you have a pen, the top is one factor, the bottom is one factor, the refill is one factor, the thread is one factor, all these they are called factors. And suppose you join it to make it a pen, that process is called factorization, is it not? That is what the mechanics do. If you take any vehicles, they take out all particle, separate, then repair it, clean it, put some grease, this and that, then again they assemble it. That is called mechanic, is it not? So, this is the answer for this question. Noted? Okay. Now, let us see the topics for today. We have one interesting item now, today and next class. That is called HCF. H means what? Highest. C means common. F means factor, highest common factor of two or more given polynomials is the product of the polynomials of highest degree and greatest numerical coefficient, each of which is a factor of each of the given polynomial. So, we will understand better when you take some examples. In arithmetic, we have seen the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. How you get it? You just take prime factors, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. So, 12 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3, and factors of 18, 2 9s are, 3 3s are. This 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Now, what is common factor? 2 is a common factor, is it not? One more is 3. 3 is a common factor. So, only 2 common factors are, one is 2, another is 3. Now, the definition says highest common factor. Common factor is 2. Highest means what? 2 and 3, if you multiply, that is highest. So, the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6, because 6 is the highest common factor of the two numbers 12 and 18. Same rule applies to algebra also, of polynomials also. What is that rule? See, this is the same thing what I have written. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, 18 is 3 into 3 into 2. So, they are the factors. Highest common factors are 2 and 3, and product of that is 6. Okay. And so also you have in algebra, you have to find out highest common factor. For example, we will start with the simplest. Now, 27 x to the power of 4y square and 3xy cube. So, first you must take HCF of the numbers, you must take 27 and 3. And what are the factors of 27? 27 can be got by, if you divide by 3, always you must divide by prime factors, do not forget. Okay. So, that will be 3 cube. So, this 27 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3, they are the factors of 27 and 3. So, which is common in this? That is 3 is common. Any other factor is there? No, no other common factor. So, therefore, HCF of 27 and 3 is 3. Now, what is HCF of x to the power of 4 and x? HCF. Come on, what is the expansion of HCF? Highest, come on, common factor. highest common factor. 10 times you must tell, otherwise you will confuse. So now HCF of x to the power of 4 and x is equal to x. What is x to the power 4 means what? X into x into x into x and another x. Common is x. Of course, you need not write all details. For this problem, I will give details. Next problem, you can directly write answer. One more is HCF of y squared and y cube. Here there is y squared, here there is y cube. Now what do you mean y square? Y square is y into y. What is y cube? Y into y into y. In that common you must see. So this is y into y, another one is y into y into y. If you say common factor, y is common factor. But if you want to find HCF, then you must take a highest, that is highest is y into y, that is y square. Now combine all this. Therefore, last step, HCF of 27 x to the power of 4 y square and 3xy cube. Everything you can do orally, because common for 27 and 3 is 3 only. In these two, x to the power of 4 and x, you must see lowest power, that is x. Y square and y cube, lowest power, y square, that is the answer. So 3x y square. 3x y squared is the HCF of the two monomials. These are called monomials because only one term is there. Correct? Shall we go to next sum? Next problem, x minus 2 whole cube into 2x minus 3 and x minus 2 whole square, 2x minus 3 whole square. So HCF. First use HCF of these two they are asking. First you must make factors. So x minus 2 whole cube into 2x minus 3 means, what are the factors? X minus 2, how many times you must write? 3 times you must write, into 2x minus 3. So this is the factors. And another one is x minus 2 whole square and 2x minus 3 whole square. In that you have, so factors of x minus 2 whole square and 2x minus 3 whole square. Correct? What do you mean whole square means what? You must write 2 times. Another one, 2x minus 3, how many times? 2 times. In this you must see common. Therefore HCF is equal to, what is common? X minus 2 is common. Is it only 1 time or 2 times or 3 times? One more is also there, you can see this. So you write x minus 2 into x minus 2. This x minus 2 is here first, but not here, so you cannot take. And here, how many 2x minus 3 here? 1 here, that is common. Then you write x minus 2 whole square into 2x minus 3. That is the HCF. X minus 2 whole square into 2x minus 3. Okay? Understood? Actually, you can do orally also. How to do orally? In these powers, you must see which is less power. Is cube is here, square is here. Less power is square. Right ones. In this to the power of 1 is here, to the power of 2 is here. So which is power less? Here it is power 1 power. So that you write. That's all. Okay. Now we will pass on to the third problem. It is little challenging. Let me see who will do it. Now is your familiar formulas comes here. So factors of a squared minus 4. Come on, the formula. A squared minus b square is equal to, yes, a plus b into a minus b. What is a? A plus 2 into a minus 2. Then you write one more. Factors of a squared plus 4a plus 4. It is a perfect square trinomial. Why it is trinomial? There are 3 terms. Why it is perfect square? Because it is expansion of a plus 2 into a plus 2. So HCF becomes HCF. See, a plus 2 is common here, right? Any other common is there? No. Here it is a minus 2, here it is a plus 2. So it is not common. So only one thing, that is a plus 2. Very simple problem. It may be 1 mark, maximum is 2 marks. Okay. Shall we go to next one? Yes, it is a really challenging question. Let me see who will tell the solution. See ya. 4a to the power of 4 minus 16a cube plus 12a square. Note down. Another one is 6a cube plus 6a square minus 72a. Now, as it is, we can't factorize. You must do something so as to factorize it. So what is common here? 4a is common. Shall we take 4a square? Okay. If you take 4a square, 4a to the power of 4 by 4a square is a square. 16a cube by 4a square. You get 4a. Correct? 12a square by 4a square, that is 3. That is first one. And what is common here? 6a is common. Correct? You get a square plus 6a is taken outside, a you get. And then you have minus 12. So, alright. So, this is the first thing you should understand. Now, you can factorize this. So, factors of a squared minus 4a plus 3. On a multiplication, you should give 3. On addition, you should give minus 4. So, 3 ones are 3. Both are minus. So, you can write it as the factorization of trinomials. You studied already. A minus 3 into a minus 1. Another one, a squared plus a minus 12. Come on multiplication you should give minus 12. Addition you should give 1. Come on, what are the factors? 12. 4 3s are, correct? Plus 4 minus 3. So, you let it as a plus 4, a minus 3. They are the factors. And therefore, factors of, not factors, you have to write HCF, na? Question is HCF. So, HCF of the whole thing you must write 4a to the power of 4 minus 16a cube plus 12a square. One thing. Second one, 6a cube plus 6a square minus 72a. is equal to, see what you made here, we have taken 4a square outside, right? So this is 4a square into a minus 3 into a minus 1, and this one is 6a we have taken, 6a into a plus 4 into a minus 3. So taking common factor in 4a square and 6a, what is HCF? Is 2a. So HCF is equal to 2a in these two. See, 4a square is 2a into 2a. 6a is 2a into 3. So 2a is common into, so 2a taken outside, what else is common? A minus 3 is common. 2a into a minus 3. That is the answer. 2a into a minus 3. Got it? So 3 marks question. First thing you must know this taking out. Second is splitting the middle term. That factorization you must do. Third is taking highest common factor. It's a beautiful answer you get. Got it? Very nice. Shall we go to one more problem? Okay. X cube minus y cube, x squared minus y square. Very simple. Direct formulas. So factors of x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y square. Similarly, x squared minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Direct formula, what you learnt earlier. Already you learnt, na? So HCF means what? Highest common factor of x cube minus y cube and x squared minus y square is equal to common factor you must see. What is common? X minus y. Anything else? No, only x minus y. That's all. So answer is x minus y. Super. Okay. And other things you need not worry about that because they are not common. So that is the end of this question. Answer to the question. Coming to last question here. 18x plus 2 whole cube. So factors of 18. 18 is what? How do you get the factors of 18? Divide by the prime factors. 2 9s are, 3 3s are. So 2 into 3 into 3. And x plus 2 whole cube means what? X plus 2 you must write 3 times. Okay. That is that. Second one is 24 x cube plus 8. How to get factors of 24? 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 3 2s are. So 2 into 2 into 3 times into 3 and x cube plus 8. How to factorize it? Using the formula a cube plus b cube, right? So x plus 8 means a cube plus b cube, that is x cube plus 2 cube, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. like that you must write. So here you write x plus 2 x squared minus 2x plus 4. Understood this? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. B is 2 here, a is x here. So x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4. Now you take common factor and therefore you write HCF of 18 into x plus 2 whole cube into 24 and 24 into x cube plus 8. Noted this? Over? Okay. Is equal to, come on, select all the common items. One is 2, another is 2 plus 2, 4, and then one is 3. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 3s are 12. Correct? Yeah, 12 is a HCF. That is the highest common factor. Common factor is 2. Right? And one more 2 is here, that is not common. So 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. And then what else? X plus 2 is common. And then any other things? No. So this is answer. 12 into x plus 2 is the HCF, highest common factor. Okay? Noted? Now we will come to home assignment of part 10. Find HCF of x plus 1 whole cube and x plus 1 whole square into x minus 1. Very simple. Another one, x squared minus 1 and x to the power of 4 minus 1. Third one, 6 into x squared minus 3x plus 2 and 18 into x squared minus 4x plus 3. Let us see what Sadguru Madhusudan Sai says. Offering everything that you do to God with a feeling of surrender is the highest form of worship. So you may be studying, you may be playing, you may be taking bath, brushing, dressing, all this, all the activities, Baba says you have to offer it to God. Because you are all sparks of His divine glory, right? And with the surrender because everything belongs to Him. Even we also belong to Him. He is a master of the whole universe. Okay? That is a surrender, the highest form of worship. There is no need of doing any puja, this, that in a puja room. That alone is not worship. All activities should be done as worship. Okay? Now, I think you answer the home assignments. Come prepared. Thank you.